How to buy and sell stocks, a step-by-step guide. So, you're ready to start investing. But how do you actually buy and sell stocks? It's simpler than you think. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from choosing a broker to placing your first trade. Before you can start buying stocks, you need a brokerage account. This is like a bank account, but for investing. There are many platforms to choose from, some for long-term investors and others for active traders. Fees and commissions. Some brokers offer zero commission trades. User-friendly interface. A simple app or website is best for beginners. Investment options. Does the broker offer stocks, ETFs, and more? Platforms like Webull, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab are popular for new investors. Once you've chosen a broker, you'll need to set up your account. This usually takes just a few minutes. Provide your personal information, such as your name, social security number, and address. Answer financial questions about your income and investing experience. Finally, deposit funds into your account to start investing. Now that your account is ready, let's talk about placing an order. There are different types of stock orders, and each serves a purpose. First, let's look at a market order. A limit order allows you to buy only if the stock reaches your set price. A stop-loss order sells if the stock drops below a set price to limit losses. If Apple stock is trading at $150 and you place a market order, you'll buy it at the best available price. If you set a limit order at $145, you'll only buy if the stock price drops to $145 or lower. Let's say you want to buy your first stock. Here's how it works. Search for the stock by entering the ticker symbol. Select the order type, market, limit, or stop loss. Enter the number of shares you want to buy. Review and confirm your trade. If you buy 5 shares of Tesla or TSLA at $200 per share, your total investment is $1,000. Buying is just one part of the equation. Eventually, you'll want to sell your stocks to take profits or cut losses. Sell with a market order to sell at the current price. Sell with a limit order to sell only at a set price. Use stop-loss orders to protect against sudden drops. If Tesla stock rises from $200 to $250, you can sell for a profit. But if you set a stop loss at $180, it will sell automatically if the price drops to limit your losses. Now you know how to buy and sell stocks like a pro. What stock are you thinking about buying first? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share with others who want to start investing. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.